What's good, Road to Riches family? We back at you with another video today, and as promised, we're gonna be talking about my June day trading recap. We're gonna look at the trades I took and how much money I actually made. So make sure you stay until the end of the video. So my biggest win in June was CJT. My profit was about $30, and my biggest loss was TOP at about $15. So out of 14 tickers, I lost on 5. I got a super small account, but this month I made $113.56. TOP was a recent loss for me. I chased the halt to the upside and got caught holding the bag. So it's the worst when you're in the stock, you're up money, and then you end up halfway at your profit or negative even in the trade. So if you're up like $500 and then you see your profit go all the way from $500 to $200 to $50 to $20, and then you're all the way in the red. So it makes you keep holding, which happens to me, and it basically I got forced to sell. So it did run the next day, but I didn't want to play like a guessing game and build like bad habits just holding on to these stocks because most of them fail anyway. But on June 9th, I also lost on PTON, chasing, and SFX. So both of those stocks I also was chasing, which is why I had a big loss on a lot of those stocks. On my biggest win, which was CJT, I traded it on June 5th. So in this stock, I waited for the recovery over VWAP, as you see with volume, and I got in around $6.40 area, and I sold around $7.30, and a little bit below that $7.30 area. On June 7th, I actually traded this again, and I brought around $5.50 range. I was kind of chasing this breakout. I was thinking it would break out, but it didn't. So I had to sell at $5.30 for a little bit of a loss when it broke VWAP. You can see the support from June 5th actually playing a big part on June 7th. So that's why support and resistance always important to us. On RIDE, I got in at $5.30 range all the way to about $5.50 on June 16th, and I sold into Strength at $6.30. So this was a good stock for me. I made about $26 on this trade using about $270. Good thing I sold because after that I actually went all the way down, got destroyed after. After that, my third biggest trade was on UCAR. That was on June 21st. I got in around $7.30 range when we had the recovery off the VWAP line, and I sold into the $7.55 area all the way up to about $8.20 during Strength. So maybe I sold a little bit early, but still not bad on the profit. On June 1st, I also brought a few shares around $5.20 when we got over VWAP. Then I sold around $6.70 to around $6.90 range. I could have held this for longer also, but I didn't want to hold until like the afternoon because again, most of the momentum, the volume, a lot of the plays are in the morning. So at 12:10 is when it hits its high of the day, and UCAR was running from the momentum in the EV sector. It is a Chinese company with battery swapping technology developed for EV cars. RIDE, they also manufacture light-duty EV trucks, electric vehicles. CJET was another Chinese EV company. I believe they was founded in 2022, so just last year. Most of my money in June was actually made from a lot of sector momentum. In that sector that we was trading a lot of was the EV and Chinese EV stocks. A lot of my money also came from AI related stocks. So like VCIG and SOUN, those were some good trades for me. JOBY was actually my last trade in June. Made a little bit under $10 on that one. But let's see how July goes. This was a lot of growing for me. This month was actually good. Haven't been this consistent, I don't think, ever or in a long time. Started trading in 2020. Didn't know what I was doing for about a whole year. I did not trade that much. I probably traded like 10 stocks in 2022, which was when we had a lot of the market was just down. The market was hot in 2020, 2021. Stocks, they were running a little bit, but then at the end of the year, going into 2022, there was just a lot of red in the market, a lot of stocks crashing and things like that. So a lot of people losing money and stuff. So I stopped trading for a little bit because I did lose money in 2020 and 2021. But now I'm actually like taking trading serious. I'm actually like tracking what's going on and stuff like that. So now we'll see how my trading journey goes from now on. But this has been a good month. Let's just see how everything goes in July. Remember, the stock market is closed on Tuesday for July 4th. Monday, it will close a little bit early, I believe around 12 p.m. Eastern time. So I believe if you're in Cali, they're closing around like 9 p.m. 9 a.m. My bad. Don't forget to like, comment, subscribe, share with your friends if this helped you. And with that being said, I'll see y'all in the next video.